Okay. So now we want to out. We are now outside of the labs. Okay, this is outside of the flight mechanic labs. Alright. You can see the surrounding here with no students. Okay. We miss you guys actually. Right. So next is step number 27. Arm the system. So can arm the system by pushing the throttle, the rudder to the left, to the right. So it is arm. You can set the flight modes into manual and then stabilize. Okay, first we want to check the flight modes. Okay, put it down. Okay, so this is now in manual. So this is now in stabilize. So this now is in loiter. Okay, so we want to see what is the effect of to the airplane. Okay, so I will uh, rise the airplane. Okay, so now it is in manual. So when you guys must from the back, right? Okay, so when it is in manual, okay, observe or look at the control surfaces. It is not moving automatically, right? Look at the elevator, no movement or such things, right? So no rudders, no elevator, no moving on the control surfaces. So now we'll click the flight mode to stabilize. Okay, as you can see, if I pitch the aircraft up, you can see the elevator is pushing down. So it's want to hold the aircraft so that it is in stabilize. Okay, so when the aircraft, I push the aircraft down, push down, so you can see the elevator is moving up automatically without me controlling the flight, controlling the remote. Sorry. Okay, now we see the ailerons. You don't see much on the rudder. Okay, so when it's stabilized in stable plane, so the control surfaces is parallel with the wings. So when I rotate the aircraft to the left, so you can see the aileron is moving automatically. Okay, up. Okay, again I repeat. Okay, so this is up, and now when we roll it to the right, so the aileron is moving down. So it affect both of the aileron control surfaces. Okay, this is stabilized. So what does it mean by stabilized? So when it is, we have external disturbance to the airplane, so the airplane will tend to stabilize itself while in the air. Okay, so such that if we have winds affecting, so the control surfaces will act opposite so that the aircraft will stabilize itself. Okay, so just now we show you about the manuals and then stabilize. So now we flick to the third flight mode, loiter. So when loiter, you can see this. So the aircraft with the aileron moving like this. So the left aileron is moving up, the right aileron is moving down. So you can see the elevator also is moving down. So what will be happening to the aircraft in this mode? So you can see if it is moved upwards, the left wing must goes down. So it will maintain there, while the elevator needs to be like this, in this position. So what is loiter mode actually? So it will makes the aircraft fly in circles while maintaining altitude. Okay, you can see the effect of the elevator. If I put it like this, it will make it want to make the aircraft to push down, or even like this, you want to push up the airplane, and the aileron is also moving. It wants to be like this. So this type of this attitude of airplane showing as it is flying in circle and maintaining altitude. Right. So that's about the attitude of the aircraft. You okay? If you want to see clearly, you can come after the COVID. So you can come here to see. Then we show. I want to show you the satellites. Okay. So So satellites, while we are outside here, we can see this. You can get 7 satellites compared to in the building. We got only 0 number of satellites. Right. So it is better to be outside. So now you can see also the coordinate, the GPS. The function of the GPS is to make the aircraft know where it is in location. Do you still remember this is aerospace? This is USM. So this is Nibun Tebal and Krian, right? So this is Penang. So we are here, and we can do much things for if we have this knowledge of set up the airplanes. Okay. So we have come into the last requirement in our labs. So you'll check in your labs. We have put additional remarks there in your labs after you have learned about this. What is the most applicable applications that you can use with this type of UAV? This is open source and fixed wing. Okay. It is better to elaborate more than 5 points in your reports, so that me and Mr. Amir can know that you guys understand about what we are trying to explain with UAV knowledge. Alright. If you go through also with the manual, there are discussions. Okay, discussions about this remote controller. Okay, what is the maximum distance of the airplane can travel in cruise speed? You can you need to answer this question and send the report to me. Okay, we have. Alright, so please put your conclusion also, right, in the experiment. Okay, so that's all for now. We hope to see you in the future. Signing off, Encik Zihad here and Mr. Amir
Semi.
in 2020. Bye. Assalamualaikum.